If you forgot the screen lock password on Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro and now you don't have access to the phone, then what you can do in this case is you can just simply factory reset your phone. Of course, you will lose everything that you have on your phone unless you have some sort of a backup that will allow you to restore your files, but generally speaking, this is pretty much the only way that allows you to unlock the phone. So if you decide that you want to perform the factory reset, if you are sure about that, then we will have to go to the recovery mode. So what we can do is we can use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu, and then over here we can tap on restart. And once you start restarting, you will see a restarting text over here. Once it disappears, you want to press and hold the volume down button. So I'm gonna tap on restart and now press and hold volume down. And keep holding volume down the button until you go to the bootloader. So just keep holding, there we go. Now in here you want to use volume buttons in order to find the recovery mode. Once it says recovery mode, press power button in order to confirm. Wait a couple of seconds, your phone will restart, and soon we will see the no command text with an Android logo. There we go. In here, press and hold the power button, and once you start holding the power button, you want to press volume up. So press and hold power and then press volume up. And there we go, now we are in the Android recovery mode. In here we navigate with volume buttons just like before in the bootloader, and you want to select wipe data / factory reset. Once you have this option selected, confirm by using the power button, and then over here we need to choose factory data reset. And then you should be able to hard reset your phone. So after that, you will need to, well, if you go back to the main menu of the Android recovery, if you have these options again, you want to make sure that reboot system now option is selected, and if it is, then of course we can press power button to restart our phone, and your phone will go back to the normal mode, and you will have the initial configuration again. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.